they said, my parents told me na, you know, a lot of people think na pag hinaharap mo yung sarili mo sa limelight or sa cameras na masarap ang buhay. It's lavish, it's exciting, but behind it also comes an immense amount of responsibility, of influence. May bosses po tayo kapag ito po ang ating trabaho. Our voice is more easily heard. So, they taught me that, you know, while nothing comes easy, you always have to work hard. Just remember na for whatever success that you carry along the way or receive along the way, always make sure that you don't lose yourself, you know who you are. And remember also na people are following you, looking up to you. So, malaking responsibilidad po yun. So, don't forget that.
Yes. And mukha naman talagang may tiwala talaga kami sa'yo na kahit na anong success yung makamit mo, you will never lose sight of yourself kasi you are constantly reminded of that, diba? By your family.
And I'm also blessed to have, you know, loving support system, family, friends that help me, remind me all of this.
There you go. Okay, now we will go to the next question from Neil Ramos of Tempo. What do you hope to achieve signing up as a star magic artist? Okay, i-share mo na. Kailangan mo na mag-open up dito, Robbie. Ano ba yung gusto mo ma-achieve as a star magic artist?
As mentioned a while ago, wala naman po akong naisip na specific destination. But if you ask me what I want to achieve, I want to be able to develop myself, maging isang tao na madaming alam, malawak ang skill set, magaling makisama. I want to be able to positively affect other people and their lives. And I think my biggest dream is to do what my lolo and my parents do, which is to inspire others. Hopefully, I can do that by being an example. And as for, you know, specific goal, there's nothing specific. It's just I want to work hard, do my best, learn what I can, and inspire others along the way.
Ngayon pa lang actually, very inspiring na. Pag nakikinig kami, pag nagsasalita ka, parang kami nasa podcast, di ba?
Thank you.
Yung boses niya pang podcast, no? Parang ang sarap pakinggan. Okay, now let's go to the next question. From Isa Iglesias of the Manila Times. Oh, ito tungkol na sa talents. What will you be focusing on? Acting, singing, dancing, or hosting?
I'd say siguro acting and hosting mostly. Hindi po ako masyado mahusay sumayaw eh. Kaya kailangan ko pa po mag-workshop. But yeah, I've been practicing my acting. We've been training with the hosting, and I feel quite confident that those are the two strengths I have right now. And I'm very excited to develop myself there, work with others like you know. So yeah, acting and hosting, I'd say.
Acting and hosting. Tsaka, alam mo sa hosting kasi kaya niya mag-Tagalog tsaka mag-English. Konti lang yung kaya yon, di ba? Fluent siya in both. So, kanina nga naghambing ka. May sinabi siyang, hindi ko po ihahambing yung sarili ko. Parang, wow, ang deep. Hindi namin in-expect. Yeah. So, you know, you have such huge potential in that area. That's the only thing I can comment on though, syempre sa hosting. Sa acting, you've been taking workshops, so we can't wait to see that. Sabi mo, hindi sa dancing. Pero hindi ka nag-comment sa singing. Do you sing?
Sakto lang kapag may karaoke, kapag may ganun. Pero other than that, I've never experienced like performing or anything.
Oh. So pwede. May chance.
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay, abangan po natin yan. Isa yun sa mga surprises na aabangan natin kay Robbie. By the way, yung mga questions po natin, sinend po yan ng ating mga friends from the media. And sobrang dami po. So thank you very much po sa lahat ng inyong questions and interest kay Robbie Jaworski. Alright, now on to our next question. Okay ka pa? Kaya pa?
Kayang-kaya pa.
Kayang-kaya pa. Okay. This is from K-Pex. Ito medyo related din eh. Ano pa yung gusto mong i-hone sa'yo bilang isang star magic artist? What else do you want to hone?
So, maliban sa acting and hosting.
Siguro, oo. Meron pa ba?
Dito kasi po sa loob ng Star Magic at ABS, grabe po yung galaw at kilos ng mga empleyado. You know, it's a huge production. So, if you ask me what strikes my interest most right now is the back end, seeing how the magic is made, how things work, you know, seeing also the people behind the scenes na hindi naman po sila nakakakuha ng camera time or much acknowledgement, but they're the ones that truly get the work done. If you ask me, I think that's one area that I'd love to master para lang kaya ko din po umambag sa pagmamadali or to make their jobs also easier, smoother, and who knows, maybe eventually give them good advice, diba? Like, you'll never know.
Hindi, maraming ganun na. Yung talent muna nagsimula, and then naging director, you have John Prats, marami pa, oo. So, pwedeng-pwede yan. And I think that's also the management graduate in you. Diba? Parang gusto mo malaman, how do things work here, diba? Yung back end din, not just your role, but, overall. Okay, now let's go to the question from ABS-CBN Corp.com. Okay. What kind of projects do you hope to do in the future? Are you leaning towards action, drama, or comedy?
So, that's one thing that I'm super excited about and, just looking forward to. Dahil sa mga workshop po natin na yung mga evaluations, so far sinasabi naman po nila sa akin na I can do all or explore all. So, I don't want to limit myself to just one. I want to... My goal as an actor is to be the most versatile actor I can be. So, when you ask me between those genres, I say bring them all on.
Willing to try everything, si Rowdy. Yes, oo. Okay. Now, let's go to our next question. Roel Regalado of ABS-CBN Corp.com will be asking, hi!
Hi, Robbie.
Hello, bro.
Congratulations on this new opportunity.
Thank you.
Shown during Beanie's Grand Beanieverse. How did you feel na people got curious about you and how... Sige, mamaya na tong next na question. Doon muna tayo sa, were you aware? Tsaka how did you feel?
Siguro yung kinabukasan ng post. Biglang, ang daming nagme-message sa akin. Pati yung mga kaibigan na ka-close ko na ilang buwan na kami hindi nag-uusap. Na parang, pogi natin bro Yung mga hirit na gano'n.
Kinakantsawan ka ng friends mo.
Kinakantsawa ko. So, when I saw it, I was like, ang dami na palang views nito. So, syempre, I was surprised. I really didn't expect it. And nagulat nga ako when I was shown on the monitor of
Jumbotron.
the Jumbotron. Medyo kinabahan ako ng konti. But, of course, right, when people react that way and biglang nagte-trending yung isang post tungkol sa'yo, it's nakakakilig siya, honestly. Parang, I don't know how I'll be able to get used to it. It's very flattering na nakakakilig na ewan, So, to whoever supported that, thank you so much.
Sino nag-post nun? Thank you daw, oo. Pero I'm sure yun nga, nakakakilig and nakakalma. Kasi di ba kasi alam mong ito yung days leading up to your launch and you don't know how people will receive you, how people will react, and then that happened, di ba? So parang, it's such a good sign.
Super touching talaga. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ng tanong niya, how did you find the concert? And, who is your bias sa Beanie?
Okay, first part of that question.
Okay, dun muna tayo.
I love the performance. I watched day 1 and day 3. So, andun po ako for immersion. Yeah, and when I watched them day 1 and day 3, I was just in awe. Because unang-una, ang dami po nilang mga blooms na in-inspired. There's so many people who, their lives have been touched in a positive way because of Beanie. So, in that way, even myself, I was inspired. And as performers, wala talaga po akong masasabing masama. As in, to all the Beanie members, galing niyo po, grabe. One number lang po niyan siguro, di ko na kaya, mapapagod na po ako. Kaya ang dami yung number, grabe. So, you guys are amazing. Congratulations again. And good luck.
And ito na, yung tanong niya, who is your bias sa Bini?
Siyempre naman po, I like all of them, di ba? Di
Okay.
naman po ako pwede pumili ng isa lang. Kasi, of course, I root for all of their collective success. Tapos baka naman mamaya po dyan, if I choose a bias, baka naman may magtatampo na ibang mga blues dyan. So, my honest opinion is, I love and support them all as a group. And individually, I think they're all talented. I think they're all amazing performers. And they'll all find their own identity along the way.
Yes. So, isa pong OT8, si Robbie Jaworski. All 8 members ng Bini ang kanyang bias. But, eto na lang, sa mga naghihintay ng interaction ni Robbie with Bini, I think you did something naman with them. So, abangan niyo yan. Oo. After the concert, they did something together. So, abangan po natin yan. Okay. And ito pala, showbiz crush ni Robbie Jaworski. Sino kaya?
I need to think about this. Okay, the truth is, growing up, teenage years, I was a big fan of Kim Chu, actually.
Kim Chu! Naku, Direk Lauren, Kim Chu lang pala. Ang daling ibigay ni Direk Lauren yan.
Growing up. But now, of course, as a fan, minsan nanonood din po ako ng mga TV shows or some movies. I mean this in the most wholesome way possible.
Okay.
I think that Maris Racal is also very pretty.
Maris Racal. Puro BBB babies, Direk Lauren. Okay. So, okay, let's delve more into that. Why Miss Kim Chu? What can you say about Kim Chu?
When she's so bubbly, she's so energetic, always smiling. And I remember as a kid, she smiled like, oh, she's so cute. Yun lang, parang happy crush lang.
Oh, okay. And Maris?
Well, when I watched her in Can't Buy Me Love,
Okay.
I thought she was a very fantastic actress. I thought sobrang galing niya sa role niya. And I found her to be very talented, very, very pretty. So, yeah.
Oh, because of her role as Irene. Yes, okay. Ito na. Uso ang love team hanggang ngayon. Kaninong love team ngayon gusto mong maging third party ka in a series man or movie? So, hindi ka tinatanong sinong gusto mong ka-love team, ha? Sino daw yung gusto mong maging third party ka nung love team na yon?
I think I'd be super excited and also privileged if I get the opportunity to work with Don Bell. Konting konteksto po, dating kabarkada ko po si Donnie sa high school. So we're in the same school kasi from high school in Brent. So it would just be very exciting if I knew na one day I was gonna go to work and it's just like high school. I'm gonna meet up with, someone I used to see in school almost every day.
Oo nga kasi Brent. Oo, so barkada kayo ni Donnie. May message ka ba kay Donnie ngayon, bro?
So bro, tagal na tayong hindi nagkikita, but looking forward to seeing you soon and wish me luck, bro.
Oh, we can't wait to see more of your interaction. And just like Donnie, naging mixed DJ rin siya. So baka pwede ka rin niyang bigyan ng tips, di ba? Yes.